Hello and welcome to Vidinfra by Tenbyte. In this video, we'll walk through how to upload and manage your videos. First, sign into the Tenbyte console using your login credentials or your preferred social account. Once you're signed in, open Vidinfra from the sidebar or click the Go to Library button through the quick action cards. If you're using Vidinfra for the first time, you'll need to create a new library. You can do that by clicking the New Library button at the top right corner of the screen or by using the centered New Library button on the page. To create a library, simply give it a name. For now, I'll name it Animation Studio. Next, choose the storage region for your library. I recommend selecting the region closest to where your viewers will be streaming your videos for the best performance. In this example, I'll choose Singapore since it's the closest region to me. You can also choose the purpose of your library. This step is optional, but I'll select OTT or VOD for this tutorial. That's it. Your library has now been created. Click on the library card to enter your library. As you can see, the library is currently empty. From here, you can create folders to organize your content or upload videos directly. To upload a video, click the New Video button or Upload Video button at the center of the screen. Then choose a video file from your computer. The upload will begin immediately. We'll skip ahead while the upload completes. Now the video has finished uploading. Click on the video to open its management page. Here, you can update the video title, add a description, upload a custom thumbnail, add subtitles, create chapters, and manage metadata. You can also view the video's details and timeline from this page. Once your video is ready to be published, click Share to get the embed code for your website or application. You can also copy different video URLs depending on your use case. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded and managed your first video in Vidinfra. Thanks for watching. Sign in at tenbyte.io to get started with Vidinfra.